guys, it's Melanie. So today I have a review for you of the product that I have been using for the last couple of weeks here to get this shade of purple into my hair. If you are just kind of randomly coming across this video, my hair is actually outside of this 100% natural at this point. So I have like a salt and pepper type of gray hair. I went gray very early in life, and in my mid-30s just kind of decided to give up trying to color my hair, and I let it go. So now that I'm 40, I have gray hair. The one thing that I will say is that I have zero interest in ever permanently covering up my gray hair. But what I think is kind of fun is to see how the gray interacts with different like washout or very temporary type hair colors, or like different hair products that can color your hair. So most recently I picked up the KeraColor Color Plus Clenditioner in the shade Purple from Ulta. This particular size right here is 12 fluid ounces, and it retails for, I believe, $22 at Ulta. They do actually have I think it's a liter size of some of these colors, and right now during the jumbo sale that Ulta is having, the jumbo sizes, which are normally $44, are selling for $29. So I am going to be picking up a couple myself during the sale. I would like to try the light pink, and I also want to pick up a liter size of the purple as well, because I really like how this product works with my gray hair. So there's a few different ways that you can utilize this particular product. One thing I do want to say is you need to use it several times to achieve like maximum color results, and ideally your hair should be bleached. I'm not an expert on like the level to which it should be bleached, but this works best, I would say, on those of you that have really light highlights in your hair, or if you have gray hair like I do. It seems to grab really nicely because there's no pigment there to begin with. So really it works best on those types of hair. But if you have either just blonde, like regular blonde hair, or a light brown, or even a dark brown, what this can do is actually just leave a really light tint in your hair. So you know, you don't have to have your hair lifted. You can you know, just have normal hair as well. It's just not going to it's not going to look as intense, if that makes sense. So they actually give you just a little chart on the inside here. So highlightened and hair lightened to pale blonde, your color result is going to be purple. Light blonde hair, you're going to get purple hues. Medium to dark blonde hair adds deep purple hues. Brown hair adds purple hues, and on white or gray hair, it adds a hint of purple. So they do say here to achieve the best bold hues, use on pre-lightened blonde hair. And another thing that you can do is, if you want to use this in more of a like pastel type of color, you can actually mix this with their Clenditioner from the same brand. I will link this and the Clenditioner down below as well. You can mix it 50-50, or just use it straight up to get like a stronger, more intense result. I have found that the most intense way, or the best way to get the most intense color payoff, is to actually use this on dry hair before getting into the shower. So using it almost like a traditional hair color, if that makes sense. I will say it is best to use gloves with this, because if you are using this on dry hands, even if you're using it in the shower on wet hair, it will stain your hands. So it's best to either use gloves or just prepare that yourself for the fact that you're gonna have to use like a scrub or something to get it out from underneath your nails, around your cuticles, and then also the staining on your hands. But to get the most intense color payoff, use it on dry hair, leave it in for at least a minimum of 10 minutes, then you can go in the shower and you can wet it and massage it in and leave it in for a little bit longer and then rinse it out. It does take a few washes to build up the color. The very first time that I used it, it was more of like just a pastel purple, which was very pretty, and I like that a lot. But after about 4 washes, I got to a really intense purple. Now what you're seeing today is I stopped using this about 2 days ago, and I've just been using my regular shampoo in the shower. So you can see that it definitely rinses out with each shampoo that you use. So obviously you can prolong the color payoff by not shampooing every single day, or just continuing to use this. And if you like that more pastel hue, mix it with either the Clenditioner from this line, or honestly, any other conditioner. You can totally mix it with a conditioner that you have in your shower already. I really like the way this makes my hair look. I like the way that it makes my hair feel. What took me a little bit of getting used to was on days where I was using this, I was not using another shampoo or conditioner. This is actually technically a shampoo and conditioner in one. That's why they call it a Clenditioner. I do find that it, you have to work it into your scalp. It does remove the oils and stuff. I tend to have kind of an oilier hair type. It does remove the oils really nicely. It leaves my hair very soft, very easy to comb through after I get out of the shower. And there's no tangles or anything like that. But it is basically like using a conditioner to wash your hair. There is no lather from this, but it's very easy to rinse out. It rinses very clean, and I really have been liking the looks that I've been getting from this. I've been playing with, you know, the much deeper purple and more of like the pastel look. I think that I actually prefer this right here, where it's a little bit more of like a lavender pastel purple versus like the super, super intense purple. They say that you can leave this on from anywhere from 3 to 20 minutes. I would say that I have left it on for a maximum of probably 10, maybe 12 minutes, and I still get very intense color payoff from the 10 to 12 minutes. But again, if you are looking for that super, super intense purple, first off, make sure that your hair is highlighted or as, you know, pale as you can get it. And then maybe use it dry before you get into the shower. So you're gonna get the most color payoff at that point. I am very excited about this. I love the packaging too, by the way. It's really nice to have it in a pump format versus having to like scoop it out of a tub. I think this is a really fun way for me to still play with hair color and change my look up periodically without affecting my actual gray hair. I love that I can do something different without having to make a permanent change to my hair. I know that if I just were to use just a regular shampoo or conditioner, or even a like a clarifying shampoo, I could get rid of this within a couple of days if I wanted to or needed to. But I'm really enjoying it. I'm loving playing with the color. I've gotten a lot of compliments on my hair. I've had several people ask me what salon I went to have it done, and it's kind of nice to be able to tell people, like, you can just go to Ulta and get this. Like, you don't have to pay someone, you know, I don't even know what it costs to color hair anymore. It's been so long since I've done it, like $100 or $80 to $100 to have this done to your hair. You can just do it at home. Not that I believe in going to your stylist for any drastic changes. And if you have the money to blow on, you know, fun colors like this with a stylist, totally go to your stylist. But if you want to maybe maintain it at home, this might be a great way to maintain the results that you get in a salon. Or if you just don't have the budget for it, this is kind of a fun way to play with it at home. Without the commitment. I love that I don't have to commit to this for an extended period of time. I can wash it out when I want. It's easy to use. It's not damaging my hair. In fact, I think my hair actually feels almost better from using this product. It's almost like an intense, like leave-in type conditioner. So I like it. I'm a fan, and I'm really excited that the Ulta Leader sale is happening right now because this is totally a part of the sale. So like I said, next on my list is the light pink, but I'm also gonna pick up a full liter size of the purple as well. And then over the next, you know, few months, I can play with either the purple or the pink, or I can go back to my gray hair. I like having the choices. By the way, there's also some really pretty like teal shades in the collection. There is a silver, so if you have gray hair and you're really looking to play up that gray, the silver might be a fun one to check out. There's also one for platinum hair. There is a rose gold, which is very pretty, but I think that's a little bit of a darker pink. There is also a hot pink besides the light pink. Lots of different color options. Unfortunately, the liter sizes only seem to come in like a few of these shades, but like I said, this 12-ounce size is only $22, so it's not like a huge, massive investment, and it's just really fun and something different. So anyway, that's my review. I definitely give it 2 thumbs up. I think the price point is very fair. It's a very high quality temporary hair color. It is better than the Lime Crime one that I tried last year. I just find that this is much more pigmented than that and leaves my hair much softer. So anyway, that's it. Let me know if you have used the KeraColor before and what your thoughts are. What color have you tried? How did it work on your hair? I'm definitely curious about your guys' experience with this product as well. So leave me any questions anything that I may not have addressed in this video down below in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you. And thanks so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.